Today I am going to talk to you about a series of 8 short courses focusing on the fundamentals of data science and analytics. This comprehensive program includes topics such as data wrangling, statistical analysis, machine learning, predictive modeling, data visualization, big data and cloud computing, and ethical and legal aspects. Let's get started and discover the power of data science and analytics. Data science and analytics have become increasingly essential in the modern workplace. To be successful in the field, it is important to comprehend the core concepts. This module will involve surveying the fundamentals of data science and analytics, including the underlying technologies and techniques as well as different strategies for analyzing data. It will also take a look at current challenges and possibilities in the field. Possessing this knowledge will enable you to move forward on your journey. Data science is rapidly gaining recognition as one of the most valuable skills globally. It has an essential role in the progression and growth of businesses, allowing them to seek out patterns, trends, and knowledge from huge datasets. It can also be used to find essential observations, evaluate efficiency, recognize market possibilities, and even forecast dangers and upcoming occasions. This course will teach you the fundamental principles, ideas, and methods that are necessary to become a successful data scientist. Data science has become an essential tool for providing insights and intelligence to help organizations make better, more informed decisions. This slide provides an overview of the data science lifecycle and its components. It consists of data acquisition, data preparation, data exploration, data modeling, and data delivery. These iterative processes are each key components to helping organizations build better data products and get the most out of their data. Data acquisition involves collecting relevant data from various sources, such as online databases, web APIs, and external vendors. Data preparation involves cleaning and organizing data for future data exploration and modeling. Data exploration consists of analyzing the data to figure out patterns and relationships. Data modeling builds algorithms and applies statistical models to extract more insight from the data. Data delivery presents the insights in meaningful ways, such as a report, chart, or dashboard. By following the data science lifecycle, organizations will be able to gain greater value from their data and make better decisions. Data science is the connection between analytics and business objectives. It helps understand and interpret complex datasets to drive informed decisions. Key statistical concepts can be applied to data analysis to maximize data-driven insights. These concepts explain how the data is being used and how it can be made sense of. With the right understanding and interpretation, businesses can take full advantage of their data. Data science and analytics are growing increasingly important to various businesses and organizations. Gaining a great understanding of the tools and programming languages utilized in this industry is important. This course will instruct on Python and R, which are two of the most prominent and utilized programming languages in data science. Our instructors will guide you through the basic concepts of both languages, providing you the understanding and expertise to commence exploring data science projects. Data wrangling and preprocessing are fundamental steps in any data science project. This module will teach you how to review, tidy up, reshape and modify raw data to prepare it for analysis. Tools such as Pandas, SciPy and NumPy can be used to utilize data to its full potential. Additionally, techniques for controlling data quality, missing data and outliers will be studied. Data science and analytics play an important role in many contemporary business decisions. We will examine a variety of data collection, integration and cleaning processes and how they can be used to enhance your business. Data is becoming ever more critical for businesses to achieve success. To make sense of data and gain insights to act upon, it is essential to understand exploratory data analysis, EDA, and data visualization. This course will guide you through the processes of EDA and data visualization, equipping you to begin analyzing data. Data transformation, normalization, and feature engineering are essential components of the data science process. This course provides a basic understanding of data manipulation techniques and feature engineering. You will acquire knowledge of transforming data into the required format, spotting and resolving unusual values, and executing feature engineering principles to convert raw data into useful information. This module delves into the fundamentals of data science and analytics. We'll look into recognizing correlations between various elements and use statistical analysis to find important patterns and developments. Hypothesis testing in the realm of data science and analytics will also be taken into account. The topics discussed are essential for those aiming for a prosperous career in the said areas. Data science and analytics focuses on the collection and analysis of large datasets to gain a better understanding of the data. Probability distributions are used to identify the likelihood of events occurring and, using statistical inference, make predictions from the data. This knowledge allows organizations to optimize processes and make better decisions, based upon the patterns found in the data. Data science and analytics are quickly gaining prominence as a key tool for businesses and professionals. This course covers the fundamentals of hypothesis testing, enabling you to apply parametric and non-parametric tests to uncover data insights. You will become versed in the basics of hypothesis testing, the steps involved in the process and comparison of statistical tests to choose the one for your research. Additionally, you will be able to interpret the results and reach conclusions. Taking this course is the ideal way to expand your career opportunities by gaining knowledge of data science and analytics. Analysis of variance, ANOVA, and chi-square tests are two important statistical tests. ANOVA is used to compare the means of two or more independent groups, while chi-square tests measure the inconsistency between observed and expected values in a dataset. Both are employed to assess if a certain factor is associated with a given outcome. In this module, we will delve deeper into these statistical tests. Data Science and Analytics Fundamentals is an invaluable course for those wishing to gain the knowledge of how to make use of data in the digital arena. Module 4. Machine Learning Basics focuses on the more advanced instruments and techniques to facilitate the comprehension and use of machine learning. From scrutinizing supervised and unsupervised machine learning patterns to applying visualization to apprehend data, this module will contribute to your abilities and resources to expand your knowledge of data science and analytics. Data science and analytics is an expanding domain that is playing an increasingly significant role in modern times. This brief course will give a synopsis of three primary types of machine learning algorithms: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, and how they are used to handle real-world challenges. There will be as well a survey of the diverse programming languages and software tools employed in data science and analytics. Focusing on linear and logistic regression, two powerful machine learning algorithms can help gain insights from data and make more informed decisions. Linear regression quantifies the relationship between two continuous variables, such as price and quantity, while logistic regression is used to classify binary outcomes, like yes, no, or true, false. These algorithms are both key components of data science and analytics. Data Science and Analytics Fundamentals is a course to enable comprehension of how to access and use data for enhanced decision-making. In this course, decision trees and random forests will be investigated, two of the strongest algorithms utilized for predictions. Decision trees utilize a straightforward tree architecture to make decisions based on given features, while random forests are more intricate predictive approaches that use several decision trees to formulate a forecast. These potent algorithms provide an opportunity to detect unseen insights in data to help reach objectives. Clustering algorithms are the fundamentals of data science and analytics. K-means and hierarchical clustering are frequently used to group data points that are similar. Clustering algorithms offer data scientists an insight into the framework of datasets, in addition to finding patterns and outliers. Arranging data into clusters allows for more efficient decisions. We will delve into predictive modeling and evaluation in the 5th module of this course. We will be examining various models to make estimates of what may come about. Additionally, we will consider the reasons why using both structured and unstructured data is worthwhile and how to check the trustworthiness of predictive models. Selection and evaluation of models are fundamental to data science and predictive analytics. This slide will explain how to select the best algorithm and how to assess its performance. We will examine accuracy and recall, and explore different strategies for deploying models. By the end of this slide, you will be able to pick and fine-tune algorithms for any predictive task. Cross-validation is a key notion in data science and analytics, being applied to measure the efficiency of a predictive model. Through cross-validation approaches, we can gauge the precision of the model on never-before-seen data. This can help when it comes to making better decisions on both model selection and hyperparameter adjustment. These tactics are commonly used to fight overfitting and perfect model performance. Data science and analytics is an ever-evolving field. Ensemble methods, which combine the predictions of multiple models into one, are one of the most powerful tools. Bagging is a technique where multiple models are used independently to generate predictions, and then these predictions are aggregated together. Boosting is a similar technique. However, the predictions of the models are adjusted in order to give more weight to the more accurate predictions. Both bagging and boosting are highly effective and can help to achieve maximum accuracy of the models. Data science and analytics are crucial for unleashing the potential of the modern world. Deep learning, with its neural networks, makes it possible to conduct a more in-depth analysis and interpretation of datasets. This course will provide you a fundamental knowledge of deep learning as well as the know-how to apply it to a range of data types. Once concluded, you will walk away with a firm grasp of this effective technique and the capabilities to utilize it in tackling true-to-life data science and analytics predicaments. We will delve into the capacity of data visualization and communication and investigate how it can be utilized to turn raw data into meaningful understandings. We will look into how to communicate data-driven insights effectively to colleagues or customers. You will acquire the knowledge to narrate stories with data, use visuals to better portray data, and utilize the right tools to produce striking visuals. Moreover, there will be openings to apply and evaluate your attained knowledge. Data visualization is a powerful tool that can help us make sense of large datasets. It is an indispensable part of data science and analytics and allows us to detect underlying patterns, trends, and correlations within the data. By making data easier to interpret, data visualization can aid decision-making. In this short course, we'll explore some of the most effective data visualization techniques, from basic charts and graphs to advanced interactive visuals. Data visualizations such as charts, graphs, maps, and other interactive visuals make it easier to quickly analyze and understand huge amounts of data. Tableau and Power BI can be used to identify trends, uncover anomalies, and create dynamic dashboards. With these tools, more informed decisions can be made and compelling presentations can be created to share with others. This module will look into the concept of big data and cloud computing. We will explore the different types of big data and cloud computing, their respective advantages and disadvantages, and how they can be employed to benefit your organization. Additionally, the benefits of utilizing big data and cloud computing will be discussed, as well as the challenges and possibilities associated with them. Finally, tips on how to best utilize these technologies will be provided. Businesses are no stranger to the world of big data. However, this new environment brings with it a range of challenges. Among these challenges lie the practical aspects of big data, such as size, complexity, velocity, and variability. Our Data Science and Analytics Fundamentals course is designed to equip participants with the necessary foundation to comprehend and handle those challenges. We will provide an in-depth look into the various concepts and difficulties associated with big data. Discussing two of the most popular distributed computing frameworks for big data, Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark, is the topic of today. Hadoop is an open-source software framework used for storing and processing large sets of data, and Apache Spark is an open-source platform for cluster computing. Both frameworks provide powerful tools for managing and analyzing large volumes of data. We will cover an in-depth look at how they work, their respective advantages and disadvantages, and the best use cases for each. Data science and analytics have become imperative for making decisions in the current era. Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure have completely changed the scope of utilizing these technologies. This slide shows how cloud computing platforms and services are beneficial for leveraging the capability of data science and analytics. Have a look at how these platforms can be used to efficiently scale up and scale out your computing resources. Firstly, we must consider the ethical and legal considerations when dealing with data science and analytics. We must evaluate the potential risks and benefits of utilizing data science and analytics, as well as how to abide by the relevant laws and organizational policies. This module will provide a deeper insight into the significance of ethical and legal considerations when managing data science and analytics. Data privacy and protection are quickly becoming more and more significant. This slide will look into why one should be alert about data privacy and the steps which can be taken to see that private data is kept secure. We will also investigate the rules and regulations concerning data protection and the ways to remain compliant with respective laws and regulations. We are here today to explore this essential topic. Data is playing an increasingly important part in decision-making, so it is essential to guarantee that the data being used is both precise and equitable. This course provides insight into recognizing and addressing issues of bias and fairness in data analysis. It also gives the knowledge required to evaluate the equity of data and to develop approaches to battle any prejudice. So come and join us to get the necessary abilities for making dependable decisions. Data science and analytics are powerful tools that can be used to make impactful decisions that affect the lives of many people. It is essential to be aware of the ethical implications of every data-driven decision and to consider the potential for harm or unintended consequences. In pursuit of this goal, our courses on data science and analytics at Gurukul Universal emphasize ethical decision-making and responsible data use. We strive to ensure our students are prepared to make ethical decisions that are beneficial to the world.